Rule against bias. Meaning and concept. The rule against bias is an essential principle of natural justice. It means that no person should be a judge in a matter in which they have a personal pecuniary. Pecuniary is something which is related to money or other interest. A person who has a direct or indirect interest in a dispute is disqualified from hearing or deciding the matter. The rule is based on the fundamental requirement that a decision making authority must act impartially, fairly, and without prejudice or bias. Application to quasi judicial authorities. One of the essential elements of judicial and quasi judicial proceedings is that the authority exercising quasi judicial functions must be impartial and free from bias. In G. Sarana versus University of Lucknow, the Supreme Court laid down that in quasi judicial proceedings, the authority deciding a dispute between opposing parties must be free from bias whether the prejudice is conscious or unconscious towards either side. Principle of natural justice. The rule against bias is one of the fundamental principles of natural justice. It requires that the person deciding a dispute must approach the matter with an open and impartial mind. The existence of bias may undermine the fairness and credibility of the entire decision making process. Extension of the rule. Ashok Kumar Yadav versus State of Haryana. The Supreme Court extended the principle of freedom from bias to administrative boards. The court observed that the rule against bias is not confined to cases where judicial power, strictly so called, is being exercised. It also applies to cases where an independent mind is necessary to arrive at a fair and just decision between rival claims. Thus, the principle applies to administrative authorities whenever their functions require an impartial decision. Real likelihood of bias. Balakrishna Pillai versus State of Kerala. The Supreme Court observed that the state of mind of the person is relevant in determining whether there is a reasonable apprehension of bias. The appeal or proceeding must appear to the court to be genuine, reasonable, justifiable. Therefore, the rule seeks to ensure that a decision is not only actually impartial but also appears to be fair and free from reasonable apprehension of bias. Conclusion. The rule against bias is a fundamental principle of natural justice which requires every decision making authority to act fairly, impartially, and without prejudice. It applies not only to courts but also to administrative and quasi judicial authorities whenever they are required to make decisions affecting the rights or interests of individuals.